Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup, and it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, running boards. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.